Eat ketchup, no?
Hi, my name is Chef Himanshu and I'm from Trescent Studio and you're watching Acquired Taste. No, it's weird. It's like cooking in my dreams. I'm ready. Is it? On my spoon? I want to lie, but I'll say the truth. I don't know what the hell I'm eating. The texture feels like squid, but it's noodles. It's just noodles. Let's see what we can do with this recipe. It's a tough one. So let's start with the mushrooms we have here. We'll slice them so they are equal in thickness. We have our slices. We'll just cut them. So now quickly we'll have these cucumber to follow one of the ingredients from the recipe. With this peeler, we'll just create some nice strings for the crunchiness in this recipe. Now we take the zucchini and we just do the same, what we have done. So now we prepare the tempering. We take the oil and we temper all of this in oil. We'll make it crackle. We have mustard seeds. This is split white lentils, some chopped curry leaves, dried chilies, and a bit of asafoetida. And we're just going to put this in one. And then we will be adding some chopped raw mango, some chopped ginger. This is chopped cucumber. We're going to strain this liquid. We are adding all of this to give the flavoring to the broth. Since we are not cooking the broth, ideally you should be doing this overnight. If not overnight, then few hours is also okay. Then some chopped green chilies. This is some crushed black pepper. We don't add too much, otherwise it just disturbs the color of the broth. And a bit of salt. And to balance, we'll add just few grains of sugar. We have stalks of coriander also. We'll just throw them in. And now we'll just cook these mushrooms. Oil again, black pepper, butter. See, as we start cooking them, you see the texture is already changing. I just add a few drops of water the quantity we're cooking is not so much, so it needs a bit of steam coming out of it. We let it just cool down for a bit. It's just perfect. Maybe some sugar it needs to have and a bit of raw mango. We're adding raw mango because it gives a bit of sourness from it. So I've mixed the noodles we've made out of zucchini, cucumber and mushrooms. We're just straining everything. There is one more ingredient we'll add up. We're going to put some bamboo shoots. So paying homage to the recipe, instead of making a slurry with the ice, we've used the ice bowl, which will keep the temperature of this one. That's the curry leaf oil. And then we add a bit of a spice. This is Thai chili, which is soaked in soy sauce. So here we go, it's ready. Logan, here I come.